Prime Minister Narendra Modi commissioned the first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant today. During the event, the Prime Minister also unveiled the new naval ensign, doing away with the colonial past and befitting the rich Indian maritime heritage. Prime Minister Narendra Modi exclaimed that Vikrant is huge, massive and vast. It is distinguished, it is also special. BJP legislator and the National Executive member A.L. Haq has turned down any simmering differences with fellow legislator and cabinet minister Sanbor Shillong. He said in politics a small misunderstanding is always there. This is also constructive misunderstanding. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated the regional office of the Coconut Development Board at Junagadh in Gujarat today on the occasion of World Coconut Day. India and UAE have reiterated their commitment to achieving the goal of $100 billion of bilateral trade in the next 5 years.